Good day, everyone. Welcome once again to my channel. You are rich. Official you are rich on YouTube. Official you are rich on TikTok. Official you are rich on Instagram. This is the part 3 of our mock analysis sheet or template. We create the subjects, the core subjects, the names of the core subjects. We have the elective ones. So for the core, in my demo, I said for Ghana GHS, we use English language, mathematics, science, and social studies. These are the core subjects. And we have other subjects which are the electives: career technology, creative arts and design, computing, Ghanaian language, and religious and moral education. So if you offer French and Arabic, you can add that one to it. This is what we created in our previous video, that is the student data. Now we move to the subjects here. So we deal with the design, then we input two formulas, and we go. So I have my formula document here, which we will use it when I adjust this row to this side. Then I'll start typing serial number SN, name English. Okay, for time's sake, let me copy the ones that I did here. So I made even shorthands of it. Okay, so let me copy. I'll come in. It's like this. Let's forget about the color here. I'll select this side, then go to the fill, no fill for all, then the border to no border. We will do it ourselves. So we have this subject here. I'll select all and change the font style. Then all will be 11 is okay font size. So for the name and the serial number, let me make it bold. Then I'll adjust the name portion to be like this. Okay, name is okay. Serial number to the same. Okay, so let's make these columns, the space that we have created, let's make it small. So I will select this first column, that is the D. I'll hold control, select this, hold control, select this one, select it. No, this one is not part. Select this one, select. So you are still holding the control. So control again. Then you will adjust it. So any of this column that you have selected, you can adjust it like this, so that it will affect all. Alright. Then you fill it with color. Let's fill that portion with white. Then we'll come back to this side. Select English, select Maths, all the subjects. Then that portion to fill it with the green color as it is in the first one. Now let's merge these here. We have merge and center, and I'll type subjects. Select it again, then bold. Let's increase the size. This is okay. Now you have to add border to it. So for here, let's select up to. Okay, before we add the border, let's input our formulas so that after that we can add our border to it. So this is the formula for the first one. So we see serial number. So we use the same one for the same formula for master sheets under there. So I will copy this one here. So in this one you can pause the video, then you write it down, you input it. If you are using the same, you are doing the same, you are following the same thing that I'm doing with the same cell names. So I'll copy, I'll come back to this place, then I'll input it in the formula bar. So Control V, then enter. So after putting it here, see, now let me go back to the formula and explain something to you. You see, I have two colors. So you start with equal to. Every formula or every function in spreadsheet or Excel should start with equal to. So for this side, let me say it's optional, but it helps in what way? If your cell is empty, this function or this formula will make it blank instead of showing zero. So if you prefer, you can start with equal to, then use the red one up to this side. Then that one is simple for you. So it means that you will link your cell to the data in student data. All right, so let's go back to it. Now I'm done with linking it here. I have to drag it up to the last, or maybe let's see. Let's use this one rather. Let's input the formula for the second one. That's the name. So I'll copy the same thing here for the name. You see, it's look the same, but you have to check the name of this. So this is A3, this is B3. So I'll come to this side and paste it here. Enter. I'll see name 1, name 2. So let me do this. See, it's still not showing, so I have to drag it to the last. Okay, so let's see here. We have 100. But you see, I've done it more than 100, but you see, there's no zero showing here. That means that our formula is working. If length is working here, all right. So we will do it this way. We go back to our name, then let me delete this one. Then we will double click on this one to fill it up to the number that we have here. Okay, so we are done with this side. Let's add border to it. Let me select all up to the last one. Then I will add border. So border or border, then okay. So for this side, we have to hide it. In our previous video, I've been doing it. So let's do it here. So let's leave 1 here. Control Shift down. Sorry. Control Shift down. Okay. Then right click, hide. We come to the last one. So let's adjust this one small. Then we come to the U. Select Control Shift right arrow. Right click, you hide. So see, it looks simple. We are done with our subjects. So this one, you just have to input your score. You input your score. Yes, follow in that order. So you can also adjust, align it to the center if you want it that way. Okay. Now left with one thing, that is the home button. Let's go back to this one. Once we are done with this one and it's linked to the home, we copy from this side, right click on it, click here, Control C, we come to subject, Control V, paste. Then you put it to where you want. You can put it here, you can put it here. So let's place it here. So on click to take back us back to the home. So subject, home, subject, home. Alright. So this is the end of part 3, which is subjects. See you in the next video. That one is the almighty Mastersheet. Thank you for watching. Bye for